Hello friends, welcome to Vishwa Tech Logic YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to discuss about how much traffic we need to get AdSense approval, how much organic traffic we need to get AdSense approval. So before going to the video, please do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon and click on all to get all the notifications from our channel. So watch the full video, and if you have any doubts please do comment down below, and if you are trying to approve for the Google AdSense please do comment down below, and if you have any problem facing with the blogging you can watch our playlist. I created a dedicated playlist for you from the blogging for the beginners 2020. So here there is 24 videos which will be explained in detail about how you can create the blogging and how you can create a journey in the blogging for the free of course. So now let's get into the topic. So actually in the blogging we don't need any organic traffic, friends. So if you don't need any organic traffic or page views from the organic, so just we need to submit our Google Blogger URL links to the Google Webmaster Tool. So if you submit to the Webmaster Tool, so we will get, obviously we will get an organic traffic. So if you get organic traffic also no problem, friends, it will help us to approval Google AdSense faster than normal. So you no need any traffic or any organic traffic, any backlinks from your for your blogging to approve Google AdSense. Just you need to create your blog, and just you need to add policies like privacy policy, disclaimer, and or something like minimum of articles. And here I explained you all the things, all the stuff what you need, what you want to do for your blogging. As you can see here there are so many videos, so you can go through it. So if you don't know how you can get AdSense approval, so you can do it. And also I added the proof also in these videos, in this playlist, so you can go through it, friends. So just in short I will explain you what and all required things for the first thing. You no need to have any traffic, like any organic traffic from the Google. So any organic traffic, so first some people have how we can check the Google like organic traffic and all. So you can use Google Analytics, or else by coming here, as you can see here, this is my blog, just scroll down below. So here you will be getting a status, so just click on it. So once you click on it, so as you can see here presently, so from the Google and all, so you can check it. So and also you can check it by the country section also. So as you can see here I am getting the traffic from the US also, so and also from the India. So by this you can check, or else you can directly check from the Google Analytics. So if you don't know how to link your blog to the Google Analytics, please do comment down below. I will make a dedicated video regarding that. So once you submitted the Google Google Search Console, so you need to submit all the URLs, so that it will be help to rank your blog or website. So once you submitted, just you need to have some privacy policy, disclaimer, home page and all in the above menu section. So you can in the add also in the slide bar also. So if you don't know how to create an menu, or sorry, not a menu, and also the privacy policy, disclaimer, about us pages, so I explained a dedicated video for it. As you can see here, how to generate privacy policies pages for the blog or a website. So you can just go through the video, so you can add it. So once you add it, just you need to have minimum of articles in your blog. So if you are creating from the blogspot, so if you have created a minimum article, so I included that in these videos, so you can go through it. So if you add minimum of articles and the pages, and also you were submitted for the Google Search Console or Google Webmaster also called as. So once you're done with this, so if you need to have for the Blogger, so for the blogger.com you will get an blogspot.com as a domain. So if you have higher domain like .com, .in, .co, these are high domain. So if you buy from the GoDaddy, so you can buy from the GoDaddy also. So I already done a video regarding that, so you can go through it. And also I made a dedicated video how you can connect the this domain and the website, so you can go through that and you can connect that. So once you connect, so what this .com and .in will help us to approve our Google AdSense faster for your for the blogging, friends. So once you're done with this, you can directly go to the Google AdSense, and in slide bar you will be getting an ad for the website, so you can add the website. So once you add the website, so I already done a video regarding that also, so how you can add the website to the blog. So as you can see, a website to the Google AdSense. So as you can see here, I done a video, so you can go through the playlist, friends. So I did not miss even a single single part. So I also worked on this. So as you can see here, this is my blog. So commonly I use these tricks for my blog, so commonly I will get an traffic from it. As you can see here, you only see here, I am getting the traffic from the US also. So if you want to start your blogging journey in here, so start now itself. So if you have any doubts, please do comment down below. And thank you, friends, thank you for watching this video, and please do share this video with your friends and family members. So we are near to the 2K subscribers, so please do subscribe to our channel. And if you like this video, please do comment down below nice, or else if you have any doubts, please do comment down below. Thank you, friends, thank you for watching this video.